Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete WordPress from your website on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website that you want to delete WordPress from, click on Dashboard. Now, to delete WordPress from your website, just click on Website, then select Auto Installer and wait a moment. You will see the installed applications including WordPress. As you see here, I have an installed WordPress. First, let's open it. This is my WordPress installed on this website. Now, to delete this WordPress from this website, just click on these three dots and select Delete. Here, make sure to choose to check this box next to all of these three options in order to delete the WordPress application, installation files, and also the database. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Installation files and also the database. Let's check them all like that and hit delete. WordPress application was uninstalled successfully. You can undo it during this period. Here, don't click on this X icon to not stop this deletion process. As you see, WordPress uninstalled successfully. Now, if I refresh this page, I should see an empty website. And this is how to delete WordPress from your website on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.